Are you done? How many times did he sneeze? Like 7, 8 times? I think he's allergic to something outside here. Poor guy.
My allergy pills?
You okay, Roscoe? You alright?
Well, I'm just trying to figure out why you're sitting here. Usually with Margie, one of the other girls.
Were you one of the other girls?
I don't like leaving.
That's because you believe in the popular notion of me as a glib, insincere operator.
That's right.
Those are only some of my qualities.
Mommy, help me.
Underneath is another me.
Okay.
Shy, sensitive, uncertain.
Conniving.
No. But underneath that, there's another me. Underneath there, of
Is
course.
something up there?
Nevertheless, I still don't.
I guess, yeah.
Because I find you an interesting person.
He stuck his nose in an old dead tree out there.
Not to say no.
On my
And underneath a bunch of leaves and stuff.
on second thought, make that
Maybe he sucked something up in his nose.
more violent.
Yeah, I wonder what makes people attracted to each other.
He don't look happy about it.
Well,
No.
the girl I really fell for was
How's that?
just chemistry.
You mean electrical excitement?
No,